Oh, hey.
What's that, Hayden?
Where are we going?
What is that?
Where are we going? Huh?
What is it, Hayden?
Hey.
Hayden? You want
he says
Grandma's car?
he says that car's cool.
Yeah.
He wants to drive.
What's in there?
Grab the hat. He's looking. Look at it. What is that?
What is it?
What is that, Hayden? Lift it up.
Put your
hat? I'll hold your hat. You look at that. What is it?
What
you
is
see,
that?
pull it off.
Can you take it off? What is that?
It's stuck.
What is it?
Here, may I help you? What is that?
What is that?
What is it, buddy?
What is that? Can you get in? Sit down. Sit down. Yeah?
What does it do?
It's put in reverse.
You pushing it already?
He pushed it, yeah.
What does he have to push?
The
pedal.
pedal.
Well, show him.
Here.
Well, we were letting him check it out first.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you push this with your foot? Can you push it with your foot?
Whoa, hang on. 2 hands. Make him have 2 hands on the wheel. There we go. And scoot him in the
It's
seat.
pretty fast, Kelly. Maybe
Scoot
it's
him in
not
the
fast.
seat,
Yeah.
honey.
What?
He scoot him over in the seat.
He's fine.
Yeah?
There's 2 seats.
Okay.
What is that? Push. Hold on.
Hold on.
Push the pedal. Push the pedal with your foot. Yeah, with your foot. You gotta push it down with your foot. Here, you wanna get down? Okay, careful.
Gonna kick the tires?
He's gonna check it out.
Yeah, he's checking it out. Let me read the directions.
Yes, it is.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Okay, you wanna push the pedal? You wanna go?
push
with your foot.
push the pedal.
Oh, we don't have the books out.
You don't? Oh. Yeah, that like looked like it was for the turtle and the other one was for the hare. It goes even faster than that.
That looks like it's for the turtle.
Okay, get down.
Okay, look at this. Let's open this up. Here. Look.
Close the door.
Yeah? Right here on the side. You gotta push a button, see it? Push a button. There you go.
No riders as he gets right in it.
Yeah.
Get in, show Grandma how it works.
Oh, wait. There. Watch this, hey. Watch. Hey, you want to put on your hat? Your hat?
Papa doesn't
Oh, yeah.
tell me now. Okay. There you go.
Cool?
What do you got?
Here, let's see if we can get it to go.
Get in.
Get in.
Get in.
Here,
Push
come
the
on.
pedal.
Sit down.
Oh, no.
Come on. Get in. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Push this. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push with your foot. There you go. Push
Come on.
more.
Come
Hold
see
it down,
Grandma.
hold it down.
Come here. Come see Grandma.
He's saying if he's afraid
Come
to
here.
pick it up. Oh, we should put his milk in the cup.
Yeah. It's going over like buying a new car.
Chuck.
Come here and show Grandma.
Chuck?
Oh, Chuck.
It's Chuck.
I got Chuck.
Okay, get in. Let's push it.
Hold on.
Hold it down.
Okay, come here. Whoa, come and get
Push
Grandma.
it hard.
Come on.
Push it
Push
hard.
it. It's taking a while.
Yeah, he'll get it.
Oh yeah.